Hi, I'm Maddie, and today I'm going to learn how to do a handstand in 7 days. So the goal is to try and get it, to hold it for 10 seconds by myself without this guy, without a wall or assistance. Day 1. Every time. May I please have some assistance? Yes, good girl. We got these shoes. Oh, you got these in, good girl to me. I was so excited. So. Ow! Ashley! Less. Good. Hey! Whee! Yeah. Oh, yeah. That was a good one. Oh, yeah. You excited for me, Ash?
Hey, you've done it so many times. I'm surprised you don't keep doing it every time. You'll never get it.
Hands. Stand. Okay, this is the moment I realized that I had a banana back. I need to be strong like this, not like this. So I need to squeeze my abs, squeeze my glutes, squeeze everything in the whole wide world, basically. Day 3. Ugh. Sand doesn't help. This is a bad idea. Activate core. Hold on, we don't need to see my belly. 3, 2, 1. Oh. Ah. No. No. This is a bad idea. My wrists were gonna come off. Thank you, Ashley. That's the nicest thing you've ever said to me. My shoulders hurt from the last 2 days. My wrists. I'm done. I feel defeated. Right, this is my cousin Joel. He is an ex-gymnast and he's going to teach me how to do an handstand.
You're going this way? You squeeze like you're trying
look at me, you're telling me,
When you go this way, push like this, alright?
Yes.
Patty cake with me. Come on. You know how to play this, don't you? Patty cake. Pause, push, like that. Yeah, that's it. You see that? That's what you want. We do our handstand. We don't do this. We don't do this either. And your ears are to your shoulders. Hands up, ears to shoulders. Squeeze your butt. Squeeze your legs. That's it. And you're gonna point your toes as well.
Yeah, you show us how it's done.
Okay.
Jolly son. Oi.
Oh, sorry lads. I'm out of practice. There we go. Oh, you just spanked me. What's wrong with you?
Okay.
The PG child-friendly channel. Control. That's it. Come on, use your hands, girl.
I'm squeezing.
Oh, there you go. No. Squeeze your butt because you're doing this on the handstand. Banana. Squeeze your butt. Oh, there we go. Oh, there we go.
So I took a day off because my shoulders were hurting too much and I was too tired. But in the meantime, I watched some YouTube tutorials on how to do a handstand, and they said to actively push down on my shoulders, press into my fingers like I'm pressing a keyboard and squeezing a ball, look down at the floor while squeezing my ears, keep arms straight and lead with my hips. The more you know. Day 4. Okay, is that it? Did it look like I was leaning on it this time?
Oh yes, Maddie!
Oh! kept forgetting to warm up my shoulders. I need to move my shoulders before I actually do the handstand. I kept forgetting to do that.
It hurts.
And on the sand, my wrists kept moving like this. Like back, I was like about to almost dislocate my wrist again. Day 7.
Yes.
Sounds better. My hips. It clicked. I need to thrust my hips forward. So this happened.
Yes.
That was 10 seconds. That was like 3 seconds. But that was good. Look, it wasn't 10 seconds, but I'll take it. Oh, I'm gonna keep working on it. Maybe in a week's time, we'll be able to do it. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Tell us what you want us to learn next in the week. And see you next time.